For the Lord gives wisdom, from his mouth come knowledge and understanding. Proverbs chapter 2 verses 6. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So today, in quest of making budget-friendly recipes for the month of January, I'm here with a very simple recipe. We are going to be making Semolino Banku or Semolino swallow. It is a very popular among the African community here in the diaspora, and we Ghanaians call this Semo. It is so popular and it has saved many lives. It is so amazing and very easy to put together. I'm sure you have heard the song Somewhere, Samo Koko na Awobeko. Semolino Banku actually inspired the song, so you know that diasporans have been depending on it for a very long time. Today I'm going to show you how I make mine and how best I enjoy it, okay? So please stay tuned. You can get this together in 20 minutes, I promise. Let's get right into it. This is how it looks like. It is very well mimicking our own gari. It is very smooth in texture, and I'm using 2 cups of that. I will go ahead and also pair with some hot pepper sauce. So these are the ingredients. I'll be also using some grilled mackerel for it. Of course, this egg is going to do something in this my Semo Banku. So please be sure to watch it to the end, okay? In my bowl, I'm going to bring about 1 liter of water to a boil. Going to season the water with about a tablespoon of salt. I'll then cover it and bring it to a boil. So while waiting, I'll use about half cup of my Semo and add about 1 cup of water. Mix it very well. This is room temperature water. It does not need to be too cold, neither should it be too hot. I will set that aside and go ahead and check on my water. It is nice and hot, so I'm going to divide it into 2. I will set the half part away and keep the one still on fire while I'll go in with my Semo mixture, okay, the one I blended with water. I'm going to put it in and gently stir until it becomes nice and warm. Mind you, it should not boil over. It should be just warm, okay? Nice and very warm. Warm like the water you'll be using for your daily tea, okay? So once that gets in, please be mindful to turn off the heat to a very low, the lowest function, okay, and go in with your rest of the semolino powder and try and make sure you stir as fast as you can, just so that it does not create any lumps. And even if it does, do not worry, just go ahead and stir. Once it gets thicker, just make sure you knead it on the side of your pot. Enhance the flavor of my semolino. I always go in with 1 egg yolk. This brings the beautiful color out, and it's always enrich the taste of your semo. Please, if you've not tried this recipe before or trying to make your semo like this, please do. Don't think about that, awful taste or aroma of your eggs. It's not going to be tasted at all, because it will be very well blended together with your semo. So I went in with 1 egg yolk, and just look how beautiful the color is. Continue to stir, and as everything blends together, go ahead and higher your heat. And you're also going to notice that the texture of your semolino is going to get thicker and better. So now that there's a lot of flames and heat coming up, cover it and trap the heat, making sure that this semolino will be well cooked for about 5 minutes. Okay. Once you're done with it, continue kneading for extra 5 minutes and sprinkle a little bit of water and cover it once again. Allow it to steam for an extra 5 minutes, and you should be done when you're back to check on your semolino. Look how pretty, lump-free, and just so stretchy your semolino is looking now. All right, just have a look at that. Beautiful, just so beautiful. So while waiting for everything to be ready, I'll go ahead and prep for my other ingredients. Here, I'm going to go ahead and clean my fish, cut them into manageable sizes, and I'm going to season it with some fish seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and some paprika seasoning as well. I'll go ahead and add some salt. Of course, it's always important to tap your fish dry when you want to season it. It just scrub everything very nice and clean. I'm going to add a little bit of oil as well. Make sure I marinate it very well, and I'll go ahead and cut some round onions for garnishing. These are all extras you do not have to do. You can go ahead and choose some sardines, some tuna, or you can simply fry your eggs, use some corned beef. If you want it extra fast, you just do not have to go through all this. But I am a girl who loves fancy. Even if it's low budget, I want it to be fancy. Okay, it speaks a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and grill my mackerel while I'll just prep my hot spicy pepper. I just use a bit of onions, some ginger, and my habanero pepper. Added some salt, grinded in my local asanka, and I added some canned chopped tomatoes to it as well. Then again, if you want some soft girl life, use your blender it as well. It came out a lot, so I'm going to just scoop some aside for later use. Now I am very happy because I see that everything has been put together very well. I'm going to set my pepper dip on the side and finally fry some eggs. Again, you don't have to if you do not want it, okay? By adding some fried eggs to your semolino and pepper sauce is extra special. It is so Ghanaian, and I think it's bring out the authenticity out, okay? So please do well to try it. I fried my eggs, and once I'm done, our Semo is ready. It is so ready. All these fish will just take you about 20 minutes for everything to be ready. Looks so good. After steaming your semolino, you realize that it comes a bit more stretchier than it used to be, and that's how we want it to be. Okay, it goes so well with everything that you compare your banku with. Name it, all the soup, all the stews, and everything. I am just so blessed I find this way of making my semo. And now our semolina banku is ready. Since you're going to just enjoy it right away, I'm not going to put it in any plastic wraps. I'm going to go ahead and serve it with my hot pepper sauce, my fried eggs, and my grilled mackerel family. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of some red onions for that crunch, and boy oh boy, we're going to enjoy it. It is so amazing, and it's just so worth trying. If you've not tried this way of making your semolino banku, then you're most definitely missing out. I really hope you give this a try, and I know you're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching, family, to the end. I really hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Please, if you did, give me a thumbs up, share with few friends and family as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.